Panthea Holiday Village. It is a 4-star hotel with a water park. The territory is large and green, but there is no beach nearby at all. You have to walk 10 minutes to the nearest Limanaki Beach, but the hotel has a large swimming pool and various water slides for the whole family. Still, the food is basic and not varied. Also, the evening entertainment is very poor and needs improvement. Nevertheless, the hotel is worth the money and is among the best middle-budget hotels in Ayia Napa.